everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nia Ayanna. I am the self-proclaimed DIY queen and I love all things beauty, so thank you for joining me. Okay, so like a couple of videos ago, I organized my bathroom, right? And I told y'all that I was gonna do my kitchen. So here we go. We're about to organize my kitchen. Y'all ready? Okay, but before we get started, listen, like I've seen a whole bunch of kitchen organization videos and like I would like to say mine is how can I say this? Mine is a little more realistic. Not saying the other videos aren't realistic, but like they literally like depot their seasonings, all of their like things are in separate containers and stuff like that, which I love, and maybe I'll do that eventually, but this video ain't that, okay? Like I'm just literally trying to organize what I got.
I'll do the best I can with what I got.
So if you're interested in watching this video, keep watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 10K, okay? Period. Okay, let's start organizing. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by showing you all the materials I purchased to organize everything. Now, most of my stuff I did get from like Marshalls and Ross, but there are a few things that I got from Amazon, and I will link those in the description box below. Okay, so we're gonna start off with like where my pots and pans are. And y'all, please don't judge me. This is a non-judgment zone, okay? It was a mess, I know. Most of these cabinets and drawers are a mess, but you know, we'll be all right. That's why we're organizing. I did get most of these pots and pans organizers from Marshalls, but I did get a larger one from Amazon, and I will link that in the description box below. You'll see it at the end. I really love these organizers. The one from Amazon is in the front. It came out so good, as you can see. It looks so much better. Okay, so next I'm gonna organize under my sink. I got these bins from Dollar Tree and I just placed the products in there, slid them back under the sink, and it looks so much better. All right, now let's get into these cabinets. Yeah, you see everything was just thrown in there. I got this acrylic spice rack from Amazon, and I love it because it expands, so you can kind of customize the size of it. This is perfect because if you don't really know like the size of your cabinets or how wide they are, you can still use this, which I love. I love me a little customization. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, right around, talk to me. Oh, I got that. Yeah, this is like 10 times better than what I had going on. I can literally see everything now. Love that. Okay, so now we're tackling this next cabinet. I got this, I guess, Lazy Susan from, where did I get this one from? I think I got this one from Marshalls, I wanna say. So I'm adding all my sauces to that. And I also have these bins that I got from Marshalls, and I'm adding just, you know, like my noodles and just other random things in them. I want
picked up these glass jars from Walmart, and I'm just putting like my sugars and my flour in those. Okay, we're starting to look less of a hot mess. Love that for us. Now we're about to tackle these drawers, and honey,
You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out.
I got this silverware holder from Amazon. It also expands like the spice rack. Love that. And these bins are from Ross.
I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We ride around the love, ride around the trip, ride around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Ride around the world.
This looks so much better. Oh my gosh, I love it. I ended up buying another drawer organizer that I got from Amazon. I used it in my other video when I organized my bathroom. I'm obsessed with these. I'm gonna always buy them. Like, I think you all should purchase them. 10 out of 10 will recommend.
Made for me, patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue.
Okay, so I need to spruce up my little coffee and tea area. I got these cute, aren't they so cute? Look how cute. I got them from Amazon. I'm gonna put my tea bags in them, and I got this adorable honey container from Amazon as well. Like, I'm obsessed with how cute this is. I've also purchased these pumps from Amazon, and I'm gonna put like my coffee syrups in them. And this tree that I got from Amazon, you can put your coffee mugs on there. I thought it was cute. I think everything is cute. I got this very, I guess, aesthetically pleasing knife set from Amazon, and it matches everything. I got this towel rack also from Amazon, all black everything. This black little soap dish thingy I got from Crate and Barrel, and I'm just putting my hand soap and my dish soap in it and setting it up. Overall, everything is organized, it's less clutter, and I know where everything is. These glasses I'm about to show y'all, I got from Crate and Barrel, and I just wanted to show y'all because they were cute. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me organize my kitchen. Like I mentioned, I will have everything in the description box below that I can have, I guess, because I got a lot of my stuff from Marshalls and Ross, like I said. But like the stuff from Amazon, I will definitely have in the description box below, so check that out. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on my other social media platforms at Nia Ayanna on IG and TikTok. And next week, we will be starting our Valentine's Day content. I'm excited about that. Are y'all excited? Y'all should be. Get ready. Even if you're not, even if you don't celebrate Valentine's Day, still be ready, okay? All right, guys, I will see you next video. Bye.